Stuff. Wait for my sister to get here. There's all the family here. It's alright. It's not a big deal. I'll get it mine. We are at Kennywood. My birthday. I'm officially 12 years old. You know, I feel old. Yeah.
12.
I am 12. I still feel old. But yeah. So just gonna get right into it.
My paper ticket.
Dad with his paper ticket, of course. Mr. Zara over there. We got the family. I got a couple. Yeah. You guys want water or juice? About to go get our tickets checked in.
What's up, chat?
We got J-Man Styles. Go check him out on YouTube. Got the tickets. We're about to go on some rides. The whole family. That right there, you know. Let's go.
3 hours later.
Guys, I kind of forgot to vlog half of the day. But yeah, right now we're eating and all that. Yeah, soon we're gonna be leaving because they're closing soon because it's thundering and storming. But yeah. On the way out of Kennywood, it rained, so they had to close earlier. But now it stopped raining. So I'm curious, like, are they coming around it back up? I don't know. It was good. It was good. It was good.
Y'all add me on Snapchat under They Love Me 24.
Apparently they do. Anyways, like I was saying, okay. But yeah, I'm wearing this to protect me from the rain. Now it stopped. So yeah. So we're going home now. I just a couple stops to the bathroom. Got some cotton candy because they were leaving, so it was time to go. So they were just giving out free cotton candy. So I got some right here. But yeah, it's the end of the vlog. Basically, got done saying our goodbyes to family. So now we're going to bus home so we can get ready to go. See you guys in the next one. I'm down, just got off the bus now, about to catch 91 and get home. Or off the bus now, about to go to the house now. We are almost there now. We're almost at the house. Just walking down the street now.